You have the option in Swell Enterprise to send newsletters to different lists and subscribers. So we're going to take a look at that in this tutorial. To access this, make sure you have the newsletters module enabled. And you can do that in the company settings under the modules tab. Once you have that enabled on the left-hand side, if you click on newsletters, you'll see things such as lists, campaigns, and subscribers. So to give you an idea of what each one of these are, you will have a list such as marketing list, and then within each list you have several subscribers that can receive the emails from that list. A campaign will belong to a list. So for example, the first thing you would do is create a new list, and you can see that I've gone ahead and created one here called marketing list. But for the sake of this, I'll go ahead and create a new list, and I'll say something such as website subscribers, because maybe I'm going to want to send this list a specific set of email campaigns. And then if you've already imported subscribers into the system, you can go ahead and check on which subscribers you would like to add to this list, but we'll add some more in the next step. So I'll go ahead and click Create New List. Once the list has been created, you can see that I've not currently created any campaigns and I only have one subscriber. So to add new subscribers to this list, I can simply go to the New Subscriber section. And then I can enter the information for this subscriber. Phone number is optional, but we are rolling out an SMS marketing feature, so if you do start to enter the phone numbers here, you'll be able to use that feature without having to go through and update each one of your subscribers. And then lastly, I can select which lists I'd like to add this person to. Maybe it's multiple lists. And then last, I can go ahead and create the subscriber. So now that I've created a list and I've created subscribers, if I look at this subscriber information, you can see that I've already sent them an email campaign under the marketing list. So working within our newly created list, I'll go to create a new campaign. Remember, we called this website subscribers. So I will say 10 website tricks you may not know about. So just going ahead, giving it a title. This is something for you as the user and Swell administrator to go ahead and recognize, and then giving it a description. This is all only visible to you, but then you go ahead and create the from address from the company account. If they need to reply to, you can specify who they're going to reply to here, what the email subject is going to be, and then you can choose which lists or several lists to add this to. So we chose website subscribers. And I can choose to schedule this to be sent out at a specific date on a specific time. But once I'm done filling in my information here, I can simply start dragging and dropping modules from the right-hand column here. And this is all using the drag and drop editor. So again, if you're unfamiliar with that, you can just drag these modules onto the page. Click on them to edit the text. If you're familiar with HTML, you can click on the HTML tag. And then you have your formatting options over here on the left-hand side, should you want to change any of the formatting. Doing the same thing with images, it's just as easy. You click on an image, and then you can change the image itself, and if this image is a hyperlink. And scrolling down, I'll add one more. And then maybe I'll add a nice little button at the bottom. So clicking on that, I can click on Edit Link and edit the link and the text for this. Alright, so when I'm done, I will go ahead and send this campaign out. And when I do, the recipients will receive an email formatted beautifully for a newsletter. And if they click on any of the links, you should be able to see that available to you as well.